JProfiler now integrates with VS Code, so you can profile Java applications right from your IDE. No tool switching, no extra setup. In this screencast, we'll profile the Spring Pet Clinic demo and show how the JProfiler extension fits naturally into your workflow. It starts with a single action, toggling the profiling mode. When profiling mode is activated, the debug and run actions automatically start profiling alongside. There is a keyboard shortcut for the profiling mode action, but we can find it from the command palette. A notification is displayed when you toggle the profiling mode. Now we can simply start the Spring Boot application with the debug or the run action. Call tree filters are determined automatically on a per-project basis so that only your own classes are profiled. You can check the packages before starting the session. The packages are cached, so if anything changes in your package structure, you can ask the IDE to recalculate the packages. If you profile a unit test, the JVM exit action would be automatically configured to save a snapshot at the end. Let's start the application and record some CPU data. This is the call tree where we can follow hot paths in the profiled code. To see the source code for a selected method, we invoke the show source action. This will bring up VS Code and highlight the corresponding method. Window activation is coordinated so that you're not left with a blinking taskbar icon. The transition is smooth and unobtrusive. Being able to jump into the source from profiling views is key to staying in the flow. It's one of the most helpful integration features. If you have to launch your application in a way that is not supported by the JProfiler VS Code extension, you can still use the Attach with JProfiler action in VS Code to get the same functionality. Let's say you have launched the app via the Maven Spring Boot plugin. You'll notice that there is no way to debug this in VS Code, so profiling directly is also not an option. Let's just run it. Now that the application is running, we can attach to it with JProfiler. We can find the Pet Clinic application right away. In Attach mode, you also have the option to collect data with a lower information density, like HProf for memory or JFR for CPU data. Double-clicking starts the fully featured profiling session. You might have noticed the retransformation dialog that showed that classes had to be re-instrumented. Profiling from startup avoids this, so it's faster and safer. Source code navigation now works the same as before. That wraps up Attach mode, a great option when you can't change how your app is launched. Unlike Maven, the official VS Code support for Gradle by Microsoft already supports debugging, and we were able to contribute a profiling mode to that extension. If you have version 3.17 or higher for the Gradle extension, profiling tasks that start JVM applications works right out of the box. Let's try it out. If profiling mode is enabled, as it currently is, you can just run or debug a Gradle task. And profiling will just work. No configuration, no extra steps. With the Activate IDE toolbar button, you always get back to the IDE without showing a particular source code location. Development profiling is a lot more productive with JProfiler in VS Code. Let us know if you launch JVM applications in VS Code in a way that isn't currently supported. We'd love to add support for it.